Good morning. Good morning. We are gonna do some daily vlogging. Not a ton of stuff, but we still have to do client photos. My boy TJ's, he just texted me. I have 2 calls this morning. Some website stuff. A little bit of client outreach. I still got my run today. What else we got? We got all kinds of stuff, so we're gonna document it. Let's get it. All right. This is a new thing. It's not something I've been doing, but every hour or so I'm just sitting at my desk. Finally got like a squat rack and a bench and stuff. Excuse, my basement is a fucking disaster. But every hour or so I try to hit 10 pull-ups. It's just not good for you to stay like stationary, so you know what? That's what we're gonna try to do. Every hour, I should set a reminder on my watch. One. I just connected my Threads account. I don't essentially it just looks like it's a Twitter that's owned by Instagram. I kind of like how they're connected, but can't you just put that text in stories? I don't know. But I never did Twitter. I own all these companies. It's just another place I gotta waste my time posting, so go follow me on that. And if you haven't checked out yesterday, actually this morning, so you're seeing this, so yesterday I posted the race recap for my ultra, so go check that out. I appreciate it, my overall thoughts, and yeah, 10 pull-ups, way more out of breath than I should be. Back to work, then some client stuff, and yeah, you'll see it. It's a hot one, folks. Woo! Let's crank that air. Oh my gosh. Alright. Heading to TJ's, film some video real quick. Let's do it. Alright, just pulled into TJ's Precision Films. You guys are probably gonna fog up instantly. It is the humidity is unreal. Let's see what he's got in here. Oh, woo, it's warm. All right, about an hour of filming, photos. I don't know if you can see that Corvette right there. Woo. All right, we need an energy drink and to not get copyrighted from Rob Bailey's Land and Ammo song. And we're off. Maybe we'll try try not to drink energy drinks, but you know, God, they're so good. They're so good. All right, I literally have you guys right in my face, wedged up against the steering wheel, but we're going Tropical Mango Ghost. I don't know if I've had this one. The AC is cranky, you probably can't hear me. All right. Ooh, see, I have a problem when they're too sweet. That's pretty good. The citrus is my favorite for that exact reason. It's not too sweet. Sorry, gotta do the air. All right, back to get some work done. And I gotta eat. I got a prep meal at the house, so let's do that, and then we'll keep moving. It's a hot one. That is for sure. All right, back to work. Watching some Bob Does Sports. Oh, FP. Actually, you know what? We're gonna get another set. That was probably closer up than you wanted. Ready? Let's bust this one out. Oh my god, my legs are sore. Okay. Ready? Another quick set that's wobbly. Oh, if you're wondering, do more shirts. These are still live on the site. Alright, y'all. Day got away from me. Steph had a bunch of stuff to do. It's 9 o'clock. So, I'm gonna hit a home workout. Still edit this video. So I gotta shower, shave. So, there's a day. Not super eventful, but I'm gonna work on trying to add some value to all of these, so. Did I add value today? I don't know. Was it entertaining? I don't know. Anyways, let's smash a workout and we'll catch you in the next one. Subscribe. Appreciate y'all.